Hi everyone. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today, I want to discuss a Forex trading broker offering a $50 no deposit bonus in 2024. Before we jump in, it's important to watch this video entirely to understand the details and terms and conditions. Xhub, $50 USD no deposit bonus 2024. Bonus summary. Broker name, Xhub. Available for new traders only. Validity date, December 31, 2024. Bonus amount, $50 United States dollars. Xhub no deposit bonus allows new clients to start live trading without any initial deposit. Once you register, the bonus amount will be credited to your trading platform, enabling live trades. This promotion is valid only for new traders who join before the campaign ends. How to claim the $50 USD no deposit bonus. 1. Register an account with Xhub. 2. Verify your personal details. 3. Receive the $50 bonus. Important notes. Bonus funds cannot be withdrawn. Profits generated using the bonus can be withdrawn. General terms and conditions apply as set by Xhub. This offer is only available for new clients. The offer can be terminated by Xhub at any time without notice. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends and family. Thanks.